Every deck we walk on today, every horizon we secure, carries a legacy. In 1971, they sailed into danger so that a nation could stand tall. They faced uncertainty, but never fear. From airstrikes to missile attacks, they forged a victory that reshaped history. Today's sailors stand on their shoulders. Their courage guides our actions. Their commitment inspires our service and strengthens our resolve. On this Vijay Diwas, we salute their valor and reaffirm our pledge to keep India's seas safe, secure, and free.
Vijay Diwas, a reminder of what unity, resolve, and courage can achieve. In 1971, the Indian Army stood firm, defending freedom and justice. The Air Force dominated the skies, and the Indian Navy sealed the seas, ensuring the adversary's swift collapse. Across all domains, the armed forces moved as one. 16 days, a decisive victory. A new nation born. A legacy of jointmanship that continues to define India's military strength. On Vijay Diwas, we honor every soldier, sailor, and air warrior